Pacific Laser Systems introduces the FT90. Get a perfect square for floor tile layout and installation at the touch of a button. The PLS FT90 provides a beam of superior accuracy and clarity, great for demanding layout tasks. Made of cast aluminum, the housing is designed to have the necessary durability to withstand difficult conditions on the job. Contractors know it can be a challenge to get a good square. The PLS FT90 meets that challenge and makes it surprisingly uncomplicated. It's small and easy to manipulate around the job site. You'll save time. Just press the button for instant lines. Excellent for both short and long layout jobs. These bright beams are accurate to 1/16 of an inch at 20 feet for both square and straightness on slab or substrate. The FT90 includes 2 floor layout targets and your first set of batteries in a rugged carrying case. And for ceramic tile contractors who install both walls and floors, get the combination pack that includes the PLS2 cross-line laser with magnetic wall bracket. Pacific Laser Systems, the professional standard.